Well, this little guy had his operation yesterday. He is neutered, and Spitz is not going to hold still for me to take his picture. Yeah, I know. You ate already. Come here. Yeah. What are you going to do, Spitz? You going to eat that? That's his pill. And he ate it like a treat, I think. Yep, all gone. So he is doing great. Not a problem. And no, the cone is not going on my cat. He hated it. So I think I had more problems with the cone on him than not. And he is doing fine. And I keep checking him and his butt, and he is fine. So sorry we're moving so fast, but he's supposed to take it easy. Tell that to the cat. I'm not letting him play with the other cats yet. Let them all take their time. So Spitz is fine. He had his operation. He is, yeah, he's cool. Ate real good. There you go.